so here she is. A little neglected. Paint's fading. Yeah, this is not acceptable. Also, check this out. A bunch of people noticed this on some of the shorts I posted. Oh my god. Yeah, I've been focusing a little too much on that truck over there and neglecting the crap out of this car, but we're gonna get her all buttoned up pretty soon. So now we're driving to my boy's body shop. Gonna leave it there for a few days, and yeah, we're gonna get this wing taken care of. I'm tired of I'm tired of seeing this wing in bad shape. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna try to get this car back to its glory that it was once at. Like I said, I have been neglecting the shit out of this car because I've been so hyper focused on that truck. Since I mean, I know most of y'all really don't give a fuck about this car, but you know what? This is my baby too. So hopefully some more Mustang guys can find my channel, so I could post a little more content of this car. Because the engagement on the last Mustang video that I posted was terrible. It only got it's only gotten like 120 views, and it's been a little over a month. Versus the other truck videos that I've posted in these last few weeks, one of them already has over 1.2k views, and then the other one like 700, and then the other one like already like 500. So it's clear what vehicle y'all are here for. But yeah, I mean, I still want to get this car back to a good shape, because I mean, right now it could use a little bit of love, not gonna lie. I know it looks pretty stock from the outside. I mean, all the mods I've done are just internally, which is long tube header, Cook's long tube headers, of course Extreme catback exhaust, McLeod RSD clutch, DSS CV axles. I believe they're rated for like 800 horsepower, and air raid, cold air intake, and I mean that's honestly about it. Well, and then cosmetically the gt350 spoiler, but other than that, that's literally it. This car doesn't really have much done to it. I do want to build this car. That is definitely in the plans. I want to make this thing a monster. But for now, I'm just gonna focus on some small little details that y'all will be seeing in some upcoming videos in the next few weeks, most likely. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. All right, so we're here at my homie's shop. Check out his clean as lightning. He's gonna get me taken care of. So yeah. All right, so here's the Mustang. Shout out to the homie Georgie. They washed it for me and everything. So yeah, here's the spoiler now. It looks immaculate, perfect. No more gap. No more gap. Yep. Yeah. Here she is. She's starting to get her form back. Boom. 5.0 is back, baby. Damn, it honestly feels so much better driving this car in a way better state than what it was in. The car's clean. The spoiler is is back to perfection again. Yeah. I mean, now I just need to get some more stuff, you know, just to kind of get it looking the way I want it to look. Yeah, I would like to do some more minor stuff to it. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. I could never get over the sound of this car. Just check this out. Oh my God, I just dodged the bullet right now. The Federal Police of Mexico just passed by me right now. Oh my God. God damn. The timing. Damn. Wow. I am so grateful for that. I am so grateful for me not doing it. Okay. Well, I guess we're clear now. Alright, check this out. I'm sorry guys, I was doing it with one hand, so I know the shifting probably wasn't the best, but yeah, I'm sure you guys were able to get a little gist of the sound. Oh my God, this sound is so intoxicating. That's enough of that for now. Alright, well, this is the end of this video. Here's the car, looking clean. Just check that out. Oh my God. I was tired of it looking like trash. But yeah, here she is, guys. Little Mustang update. Nice and flush. Alright guys, so here comes the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And if you're new to this channel, here's my car. Subscribe. It really means the world to me. I'm at 1,573 subscribers. I am very, very thankful for each and every one of you. It really, really means the world to me. So yeah guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and also comment on what other content you guys would like to see. So yeah, I'll leave you guys on this note.